How to flip or rotate a video in CapCut. Flipping or rotating video in CapCut is simple. So in order to do that, follow these simple steps. First of all, open the CapCut app on a device. Once inside the CapCut app, you can simply tap on the New Project and select the video you want to edit, or simply select the video that is saved on your CapCut. So I here tap the video that I saved on CapCut. Now, all you have to do is select the video clip from the timeline. Once done so, scroll through the bottom menu and tap on the transform option available there. And once you tap on the transform, you can see rotate resize option available there, and there is also a mirror option available. You can use these options to rotate and flip your video on CapCut. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.